Hey guys, so today I've got a horror box to show you and it is called Creepy Crate. So this is what it looks like. It's very big and I love the box on it. The box is very cool. So this is an American box, so it's $39.99 in dollars. I'm not sure how much it is to the UK because this was sent to me to show you. So I'm assuming the postage might be quite expensive, but you'd have to have a look, I guess. So it's a bit of a weird box, I'm not gonna lie. You must always get a t-shirt because you have to choose your t-shirt size when you're ordering it. So there is a t-shirt in here, but the rest is kind of like a mishmash of stuff. So first thing we have in here is a pen that looks like a little broomstick. I have had one of these before in a different box, but it is pretty cute, you know, just a little random item. And then the next thing we have kind of goes with it, which is a notebook. So it says spell book on it. It's like a little hardback, little tiny mini notebook with lined pages inside, so you could definitely like use those together. Then next we have a book. It's absolutely full of packaging in here, by the way. This is literally what it looks like, just loads of worms. So yeah, next we have a book which is called You Will Suffer by Alexandra Ivy. It's quite a thick, like, big book. It's about like a killer, small community's dark and twisted past before it's her turn to die. It sounds like a bit of a creepy book. Just what I like. So that is our next item. Then we have this, which is Purifying Sage and Lavender Bath Bomb. So that's pretty cute. It's like green and purple. Little bits in there. Let's see if I can smell it. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like a proper like witchy shop. I like that. It smells kind of like incense sticks. But there is this. Then next we have these, which are a download of this, which I'm going to assume is a book. Professor discourages his wife's witchcraft to disastrous ends in this classic tale. So there's a book download. And then, oh, this is just like tells you what's in the box, so that's that. And then I think there's supposed to be one more thing in here, but I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's one last thing in here before the t-shirt, and that is this, which is a little necklace. And on the little card it says it's a Harbinger of Death necklace. It's got a raven on it. So that is what this looks like. It's like a little pentagram or pentacle, whatever you want to call it, with a crow in there. It's pretty cute. I'm assuming it's not like silver or anything, maybe stainless steel or something, but there is that. And then our last item in here, oh, I've just found a pen top. Little pen top. Put that on there. Okay, and the last item in here is the t-shirt, which is this one. So it's grey with black like edges, and it says Black Hill Regional Park, which is the Blair Witch Project place. So it's like a Blair Witch t-shirt. It doesn't have anything on the back. I feel like it could have been cool if this was like printed really big on the back or something, but it is still quite a cute little loungy t-shirt. So yeah, that was everything in Creepy Crate. I'm just gonna move this box. Like I said, a little bit of a weird one. For $39.99 it is quite expensive. I do like this t-shirt, but the rest of the items are a little like random, I think. And for the price you don't really get loads of stuff either. Just quickly go over what we got again. So there was the You Will Suffer book, which says it's $7.99 on the back. there's the download of this one, which again I think is a book, the little pen, the mini notebook, the bath bomb. You see, now looking back on it, I guess there is quite a few things in here. The necklace and the Blair Witch t-shirt. So all these things for $39.99 from Creepy Crate. Like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I've not ever seen this before, so I've not seen what's been in their other boxes and stuff. I might go have a look now at other like videos and see what have been in previous boxes. But let me know what you think anyway. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please subscribe. I'll put all the info for Creepy Crate down below in case you want to go check them out, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.